They were having this dinner party, and the fridge was too packed, so they put me in here. Who was the genius that thought about that, eh? It's so cold in here, I can't feel my legs. I just can't feel them. Okay, yeah, well, I have no legs. If I had legs, I wouldn't feel them. That's what I'm saying. God, people just...
I used to be a beautiful head of lettuce, a lettuce model. Pictures of me everywhere, from supermarket banners to newspapers, everywhere. And then they brought me here, to this horrible place with no moisture. I could cry, but I am too dry. Too dry.
Whoa, I didn't know tomatoes could do that.
Oh, we're capable of horrible things if we're kept in horrible fridges. Horrible things.
When you have a fishy neighbor, you start to smell fishy too, and it gets noticed, you know. People swipe left. Suddenly, everyone wants to keep their distance. This interview is the closest I've been to somebody lately, and hey, where are you going? Come back, hey, hello? Hello?